What's up guys, Rodrigo here, welcome back to one more video guys. As you can see today, right now the Bitcoin price is pumping, we are going to the upside, we are breaking important resistance levels on the bigger time frame. I am about to show you this, but not only these guys, also the other altcoins like Link for example. We are right now at very critical level of resistance, and breaking above this level we expect to see some bullishness, as well as we are seeing on Solana. On the previous video I told you about a pattern that was being formed, a bullish pattern that was being formed on Solana, and we broke it to the upside already. So guys, if that sounds interesting to you, don't forget to smash the like button already and stick with me until the end of this video. And before we start with the technical analysis guys, I have to recommend to you Bybit guys, because it is my favorite exchange, the one that I use every day to trade. If you use the link on the description of this video right here, the first one, you can claim up to $30,000 bonus. If you don't want to do KYC, then I recommend you to use the second link on the description of this video and sign up to Bitflex, my number 2 exchange, and you can claim $10 if you deposit 100, as you can see right there. Coming back to the chart guys, on the previous video I was telling you about the support that we had here on the 1 hour time frame for Bitcoin, and we broke this level to the downside, as you can see. But even though we broke this to the downside guys, we are seeing some bullish momentum still for Bitcoin. We are still seeing some strength. After breaking this to the downside, the price action didn't even come to the level of this support right here, this orange support at $26,800. It just kept going to the upside, and right now the price action is trying to reclaim the level of these previous highs right here on the 1 hour time frame. Reclaiming these levels, breaking above these levels. Of course, the most important level that we have above the price action is our resistance here, which is actually a zone of resistance from $27,300 to $27,400. And my next movement on Bitcoin guys is going to depend on how we are going to react once we touch the level of this resistance. If we are going to see the price action touching these levels right here and being rejected already, showing some weakness, showing some bearish divergences, then guys, of course I would be preparing to open a short position from this resistance. Otherwise, if we are going to see some strength, the price coming up, not being rejected, breaking above these levels, finding support on the smaller time frames like on the 15 minutes, then of course I would be more prone to open a long position from this level. Don't forget that on the description of this video you can have access to my free Telegram channel, and if I'm going to open a short position from this point, or if I am going to long Bitcoin, I am going to let you know on the Telegram channel, so don't forget to join us there. Now on the daily time frame guys, something that I was also telling you about on the previous video, we are breaking above the level of this resistance right here that I was concerned about. It is a descending level of resistance, but right now this resistance is at $26,900, as you can see, and we are breaking on the daily time frame to the upside. Very good news. This is very good to see, because it increases our probability of going up and reclaim the level of this previous high right here. And doing so, we would be breaking above the level of our resistance here at $27,400. Talking about Solana now guys, I told you in the previous video about these inverted head and shoulders, and as you can see we had a huge movement, an explosive movement to the upside here. And after I told you, after I uploaded the video, boom, Solana exploded guys, as you can see, 7% to the upside, a huge movement. But this is not all guys, actually it is just the beginning, because as you can see the target for this pair is going to be all the way up to, just a second, $24. So from $21, which is the price that we are right now, until our target, we still have 13%. The perfect entry point for a long position here guys would be if the price action would correct back to the level of the neckline of this inverted head and shoulders to retest the previous resistance as a new support. The neckline is right now at $20, and if we are going to see the price retracing to these levels guys, very good entry point for a long position, and I would be actually trading this very aggressively. It is the perfect entry point, but doesn't mean that the price has to come back all the way down to these levels guys. We are seeing a lot of strength, and might be the case that we are going just to explode from this moment. As you can see, we had a very strong movement to the upside, and right now we are consolidating here, and you know already this is a pattern. We are forming here a bull flag. So there is the case, guys. If we are not going to break below the level of this support here of the bear flag, and instead we are going to break it to the upside, then there is of course a case that we are not going to see this retraction right here. Instead, we are just going to explode and hit the target of this bull flag here at $22.70. The last one that I want to show you today, guys, is Link. As you can see, we had a huge, very strong movement to the upside, guys. 36% leg to the upside, straight, without correction. And right now we are facing a level of very, very, very important resistance. Let me zoom out to show you better. Yes, the level of this resistance right here. Boom, 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 boom. We are facing this level once more. So it is very clear that we might see some rejection from this level, some rejection from this resistance right here. And also it is very clear that it would be very bullish if we would break above this level. It is a descending level of resistance, but right now this resistance is at $8.14. If you are a subscriber, guys, you know that I've been bullish on Link for a while already, and breaking above this resistance, we would be activating a pattern. We actually have a fractal. Let me show you right now. Leg to the downside, consolidation going downwards, then break above the level of this resistance, bullish movement. We are having the same scenario right here, but on a way bigger pattern, guys. As you can see, leg to the downside, and after this we are consolidating here, going downwards, respecting the level of this resistance and this support. So the same thing, breaking above this level would trigger more bullishness for Link. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe, hit the bell, and I see you in the next time. Stay focused!